Today's podcast is I'm gonna discuss the sign-up results for SCO and STAX, both nationwide and for Texas. I've got a lot of calls, people asking me how that went. Obviously, you buy this stuff in advance, so you don't know if it's going to pay or not pay. But right now, for today, I'm going to talk to you about how the sign-up went. And from this first chart is U.S. data. And what it has on there on the far right where it says total, that's the total number of policies, crop insurance policies sold by crop in the U.S. And all we've done is gone and figured out which percentage of the total policies, SCO and STAX accounted for. So you can see from for example, cotton, very few, if you want to just read across there, about 99 SCO policies nationwide were sold. And then on STAX, there was about a little over 11,000, almost 12,000 STAX policies sold, or 12.5% of all policies. When you start looking at these numbers, the one thing to keep in mind is STAX doesn't require an underlying policy. SCO does. So, as an example, for cotton, if there's 94,000 total policies sold, most of those being non-SCO or STAX, say 80,000 of them were. If to do this percentage right, you'd have to say, well, it requires an underlying policy, so it'd never be more than 50% of all the policies sold, because it requires one in addition to it. I don't know if I made sense there. But all I can tell you is, at this point in time, across the country, SCO was not a large percentage of policies sold for any crop other than rice. And STAX was about 12.5%. So first year with these programs, in my mind, the enrollment percent, while it's never going to be 100% of policies sold, SCO could at most be 50% of policies sold. Enrollment percent is relatively low. If you look at the data for Texas, obviously a lot fewer policies sold in total, but the STAX percentage, 10.9% of policies sold versus 12.5% for the U.S., pretty much in line. We did have a few more rices in line with the nation as well, but the one that's interesting is wheat. There were a lot more wheat SCO policies sold as a percentage. So you can see that the different types of SCO policies, the H means a harvest price exclusion, where you don't get the benefit of price run-ups later in the year. It uses the base price, the beginning price, as the ending price as well. You can see the different types of policies. And again, today I just wanted to break it out and kind of show, look, it wasn't that big a deal. There'll be some instances where these STAX and SCO are really going to work, and we're going to need to start talking about those as we get closer to planning for next year's crop. But next time I'm going to be discussing how it did or did not pay for wheat. The wheat's the only one where the insurance year is over and the crop is harvested, so I'll be able to go through and show the economics of, you paid this much, you protected this much, what happened for a typical producer around the country. So until next time, thank you very much.